3, 2, 1.
Are both Barbarossa and Crokinole board games? The answer is A, yes. What form of art is characterized by depicting objects by a rectangular or geometric treatment of their forms? The answer is D, Cubism. As of June 2009, the Brookings Institution reports that traditional banking system does not have enough of what to close the lending gap. The answer is D, capital. Who painted Dancer lacing her shoe in 1878? The answer is B, Edgar Degas. What process changes the properties of the fibers used in papermaking? The answer is C, maceration. Which of Rory Gilmore's loves was a published author toward the end of the series Gilmore Girls? The answer is C, Jess. Spanish-speaking Nicaraguans also migrated for what reason? The answer is C, political instability. The white ball in snooker is called the what ball? The answer is A, Q. Which two dialects lost aspiration at times? The answer is A, Ionic and Aeolic. The Manhattan Project, a scientific research project during World War II, was aimed at quickly creating what kind of weapon? The answer is C, atomic bomb. What is the maximum LER possible? The answer is D, 683 LM/W. Pronto and Godey's Lady's Book are both what? The answer is D, Women's Magazine. Bafana Bafana is the name of what country's national soccer team? The answer is B, South Africa. Dogs can act as a facilitator of what between human beings? The answer is D, social interactions. What was created in 2013 to replace the Appellate Division of the Supreme Court of South Africa? The answer is A, the Supreme Court of Appeal SEA. Which Star Trek series features a race of giant lizard men known as the Gorn? The answer is C, Star Trek the original series. What event caused major changes in Bermuda? The answer is C, end of the war. Who recorded early records of migration? The answer is C, ancient Greek writers. What thriller film did Bayon star in? The answer is D, Obsess. When were the plans to update USB 3.0 to 10 Gbps as revealed? The answer is A. January 2013. Whose library records did the FBI look into? The answer is A. Those who are suspected of terrorism. At what battle were the Germans defeated? The answer is D. The Battle of White Mountain. What actor co-starred as Scott Baio's wild and crazy friend, Buddy Lembeck, on the sitcom Charles in Charge? The answer is D. Willie Alms. What caused the delay in the effort? The answer is B. Weather was poor. The War of Jenkins' Ear was part of which bigger war? The answer is A. Austrian succession. Education about TB seems to decrease the stigma of the disease and lead to what other positive effect? The answer is B. Increasing treatment adherence. What is the hardest substance known to man? The answer is D. Diamond. The deeply inaccessible Lakes Vostok, Whillans, and Ellsworth are in the The answer is D. South Pole. What type of loans does Sallie Mae primarily deal with? The answer is B. Student loans. How many people lived in the Charleston equals North Charleston urban area in 2010? The answer is D. 548,404. What is colloquially known as Old Women Day? The answer is D. Nuremberg on Carnival Thursday. Who had Tautauga tried to defeat? The answer is C. The Red Turban Rebels. Who did the English cede Shenandoah Valley to? The answer is B. Iroquois. When was ZD's Mutant Disco released? The answer is A. 1981. How many people ride the metro system each day? The answer is C. 4.5 million. Who opened the first lodge in Iraq? The answer is A. The United Grand Lodge of England. If, as is almost impossible now, you had variola, which disease would you have? The answer is B. Smallpox. What is the Beidou one? The answer is A. An experimental regional navigation system. Human Error is the season finale of the third season of a TV show that aired on what network? The answer is D. Fox. What kind of solids have particles that are arranged in a regular repeating pattern? The answer is D. Crystalline solids. The Rig Veda and Samaveda are sacred texts of which religion? The answer is D. Hinduism. When did the northern cod fishery collapse? The answer is C. 1990s. A portrait of whom did Sylvester Stallone have tattooed on his right shoulder? The answer is D. His wife. How do you help a hangover? How would you do this? The answer is A. Take a swig of what got you drunk to begin with. What lucrative trade contributed greatly to Charlestown's growth? The answer is B. Slave trade. Which popular NBA team has a logo featuring a leprechaun? The answer is C. Boston Celtics. What did a picture of Scargill have him appear to be doing? The answer is B. Giving a Nazi salute. How much does it cost to attend Eton Tourney throughout the year? The answer is C. Free of charge. Who had formed the club that contained much of the colonial administration? The answer is D. Duke of Wellington. According to the Big Bang Theory, which element most likely formed first?